Looking for the best pastry brushes? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 pastry brushes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. OXO, Good Grips Silicone Basting Brush. Has unique bristle design with tapered outer bristles for delicate pastries. Does not retain odors or clump during cleaning. Features gaps in the center to hold liquids better as they are transferred. Resists heat up to 600 degrees. This product is specially designed to hold onto large amounts of liquid as you transfer from bowl to food. Not as good for the thinnest, most delicate pastries. At number 2. Zulay, Pastry Brush, Set of 4. Made with heat-resistant silicone that is completely BPA-free. Designed with a sturdy ergonomic handle. Can be hung for easy storage. Dishwasher safe. Comes in a set of 4 brightly colored brushes. This pack is great for a variety of occasions and is built to last. Silicone may be more difficult to clean than other materials. At number 1. Kitchen World, Basting Brush for Cooking. Will not melt, warp, discolor, shrink, or shed in food. Resists heating up to 446 degrees. Does not retain odors. Dishwasher safe. Designed to mop up and hold generous amounts of liquid. BPA free. Great for barbecue sauce and butter. The set is great for brushing butter and other liquids and is easy to clean after use. May not pick up particles like garlic and pepper as well. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.